originally, right? It looks like it shifted 2, but did it shift to left or right? Did this point go to the left 2 or to the right 2? To the right, yeah. Do you see how it used to cross at 0 and now it crosses at 2? Okay, nice job, Izzy. Okay, so I'm going to write it down here. Y equals, if it is sine of parentheses x plus c, c is the horizontal shift. That's left and right. But it's the opposite of what you think. So remember, when she put in -2, it ended up moving it 2 to the right. Okay. So, one more prize just because I'm so committed to getting you guys on that wall over there, right? And on the ceiling. Here we go. Can somebody, for a prize, tell me the following things? I want a graph that is moved, the whole graph is moved down 1, and I want it to stretch up a distance of 3 and down a distance of 3. I want it to be a sine graph, and I want it to be shifted to the left 2. So again, that was a stretch of going up 3 and down 3. It was lifting it up, no, pushing it down 2, right? I said the whole graph goes down 1? Down 1? Okay, I'm going to write down. Example. I said stretch up and down 3, right? I said lower, as in a translation, by 1, so going down 1. And I want it to move to the left, did I say 2? All right, hands up, or do you want some more time? Okay, hands up. Who wants a prize? One, two. We all looked at Zach. Zach's not raising his hand. We all went, oh. 2.
Do you want just the equation?
Why don't you just tell me the equation?
3 sine x plus 2 minus 1.
This is exactly right. Okay, so what does the 3 do that's out front? Pulls it up to 3, down to -3, right, a distance of 3. And then what does that plus 2 do? Moves it which way? To the left 2, because the plus moves it to the left, the minus moves it to the right. This one's just normal, so this -1 does what? Moves the whole thing down. Okay, so if you graph it, it's hard to even tell if you're right, isn't it? By the way, if you want to see that it is balanced, look up. First of all, I'm going to move my window down a little bit, so I'm going to say, let's go down to like -5 instead, just so I can see it a little clearer. It's my original sine graph. All right, now it's hard to see kind of what the middle is, but the middle should be what? -1? So I'm gonna go here into my y equals, and I'm also gonna put in a graph of -1, just a line across -1 so I can see where my new center is. To see how that looks, right? It looks like about half on top, half on the bottom. So, okay. Now, tomorrow we have one more thing that we're gonna do, which is kind of putting it together with one more thing, but it's gonna be pretty easy. Today's homework is going to be page page 612, numbers 9 through 16, 38 through 42, and 50 through 53. Okay, and I want to do numbers 9, 38, and 50 with you. By the way, the first bunch of these is just matching. So you're going to write like number 9 is B, that kind of thing. And then the other ones are all graphs. And then this assignment is going to be due on, what is today, Tuesday? So it'll be due Thursday, and I'll add a little bit more to it tomorrow when we finish something else up. Okay, so let's go ahead and try these problems together. So everybody take out their book. We're going to look at number 9, 38, and 50. And I'm going to try to take this through really slow with you. Okay. So number 9 says y equals So number 9 says y equals sine of x minus 1/4. So somebody tell me which graph they think this is and why. You've got to match it to A through I below, one of those. Also notice that there are 6 or 9 options to choose from, and there's only 8 problems, so you will have one that's left over. Yeah? D, let's see. So it looks like you're saying that it shifted it to the right 1/4. It's a sine graph, still goes up and down. Everybody agree? Yep, I agree. 9 is D, like dog. You okay on that first 9 through 16? Not too bad? Okay, all right, now let's try number 38. All right, 38 says we're graphing y equals, that's very ironic. Is that the exact same problem?
Yes.
Okay, let's change that out. Let's do 37 instead of 38. So change the assignment to instead of 38, we'll just do, that would be 39 through 42, and then we're adding number 37 in there. So it's page 612, 9 through 16, 37, 39 through 42, and 50 through 53. All right, 38 is y equals the cosine of x minus pi over 2.
This is 37.
37. I just wrote.
You wrote the right one. You just said 38.
Okay. So 37. There's the problem. All right. So tell me about this graph. Tell me, it's gonna be a cosine graph, but then how is it gonna move? To the right, how far? Pi over 2. Okay, so you're saying that it's gonna